Welcome to Uneatly Tae Christmas 2020, providing you lots of holiday cheer with DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
The forecast ain't clear, so will you please light my way and lead this old man's sleigh? I said, Rudolph, my friend, once more will you lend your red nose, or heaven knows how this sleigh ride will end. My man, you're the only one who can save the day. Say yea or nay. Now will you pull my sleigh? Oh, Rudolph.
Yes, we decided to use glitter instead, and I promise you there is a snowflake under all that glitter. She's only 5, but the kids wanted to use the glitter instead. The pipe cleaners just wasn't working out, so this is how everything turned out. This is how the ornaments look on the tree. They look so good. This is one of our favorite trees out of the whole house. It has a lot of value to it, a lot of sentimental value at that, and each ornament that they made today goes on this tree. We call this tree the family tree, and I'm so glad I'm able to make ornaments with my kids and my niece and nephew every year to go on this tree, and it pretty much just ties in the whole meaning of Christmas just as one tree. We put up several trees in our house, but this tree right here, it sometimes can just bring tears to your eyes. It has a lot of meaning behind it. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching us make ornaments on today. And thank you so much for just supporting me through this Vlogmas videos. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll see you guys in my next video.